Hey guys, so Juvia's Place, Douce, I don't know, but it's the really pretty, this is my favorite packaging of all of them easily. I love the soft pink, love the lady here on this, she is looking regal. So before I get into it, no music in these because of copyright strikes, and I only edit around my eye. I don't edit the actual eyeshadow, as that's the focus of the video, and I want you to see the true payoff of these colors. So, I actually enjoy every one of these. This is pathetic, kind of, but I bought the palette specifically for this color, and this color. These other colors didn't interest me until I tried them on my eye. I did not have an issue with any of them. This one, I thought it would be more silver, but it almost like meshes into my skin tone. It's a little weird. Hello? I'm filming. Well, you're being a little bitch. We will. You're being a little bitch. Oh, love you, bye. So, like a wet look to my eye almost. It was very cool. And then this pink is so beautiful. I love that. The purple is so beautiful. All of the shimmers in here are gorgeous. The mattes in here are gorgeous. I really am satisfied with this palette. I had a hard time coming up with 10 looks, so this to me personally would be an add-on palette, similar to Festival, I think it was. I don't remember. There was one by Juvia's Place that was an add-on palette for me. And this is similar to that, where you have a palette and you just want a couple more colors. You wish it had the perfect pink, or you have a beautiful rainbow palette and you wish it had some browns to make it more wearable. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, that to me is what this palette is. However, I really like some of the looks that I created. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. I won't keep you long. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you have a great day. I'm sending lots of positive vibes and light your way. Thank you for watching. Bye.
What it is? What's up? Got your brother in the cut. Oh, so I'm doing the pink eye, the stink eye. This is the pink that I bought the palette for, that matte soft pink. I love that. I was going for like a Mean Girls vibe here. I wanted it to be like on Wednesdays we wear pink, because I filmed this on a Wednesday. Thought that was really pretty. Love the quality of the shadows. They blend super easy. They're really nice. This one was fun to create as well too. I definitely do recommend having a sticky base for the shimmers to stick to. They definitely do work better on a wet base as opposed to a set primer or a set concealer. At least in my opinion, I think they just popped more. Using my white face powder just as the highlight, because I don't want to have a shimmer on my brow bone when I'm going to do a shimmer on the inner corner. So as you could see, that shimmer isn't super silver. It's like almost like a silver shimmer in a clear base. It's really hard to explain, but I really enjoy it. It's unlike any color I've ever seen before personally. Then I'm just throwing on a wing. This is a major wing. I don't normally wear this out. This is just for the video to provide you with, you know, multiple different options. Getting down. This is the one where this color kind of gave my eye like a wet sheen almost. You'll see in the final photo, but it doesn't look completely like a silver shimmer. Very pretty, but I did really enjoy it. See what I mean though? Like, it's a silver, but it's not as silver as I thought it would be, so it's a nice change. And I really like that pink shimmer as well. That's over the darkest brown. I think that is a really flattering color. I was going for another Mean Girls type look there. Anytime I do like a light pink with a pink in the crease or a purple, I always feel like Mean Girls. That's my favorite movie. Well, one of them. If I could do like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre eye look, then I would do it, because that's actually my favorite movie. I liked that dark brown all over the lid as well too. There was no patchiness, no skipping. I really liked that. And this is a different look that I created. I thought this was a different color combination that I wouldn't normally do, but I wanted to do something kind of like 80s inspired. I was thinking of like those old windbreaker jackets that were like in that purple color for women and in that green color for men.
Shitted on him. Man, I just shitted on him. Shitted on him. Put your middle fingers in the air if you don't give a fuck. Shitted on him. Man, I just shitted on him. Shitted on him. Put your middle fingers in the air if you don't give a fuck. Bitch, you is a fucking bum. I'll put some change in the cup for you, begging for attention. Ain't nobody give a fuck about you. Who you think you're cool, so I'ma put your ass on ice. Brr. I see your shit is freezing, shouldn't have fucked with me, now there's no more nice feelings. You wanna play games, well I'ma take a little risk. Here's a deck of Uno cards, now you're single and I'm pissed.
This one is another really cool one that I created, at least in my opinion. I wanted it to be like, some people bring their halo in really far, where it's a small amount in the center, but I wanted it to be more focused on the center, so I didn't take the halo in very far. This is another one I really enjoyed. Honestly, I really liked all of them. There's not really much to say about the looks because I'm pretty satisfied with them all. I was gonna wear no lashes with this one, but I just wanted to see what it would look with them. Oh, I love this one too. I think we're coming up on the end, guys, so I'll say bye to you. Thank you once again for watching and being so supportive. I really can't tell you how much it means to me from the absolute bottom of my very soul. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.